Oh, Freddy. Where's Freddy? Where is he? Look how Dad's made the bed. Where is he? Oh, hi, baby. Was Mum at work? You okay? You been sleeping? You had a good sleep? Oh, have you had a lazy day? You never even came to the door. Didn't you not? What have you been doing? Sleeping all day? Yeah. Oh, big stretch. Look at those sleepy eyes. Look at the base, that's. He's like a monkey. You're the best boy? You're the best boy? Look at that gorgeous face. Look at that gorgeous face. Look at that wee belly, wee soul. Oh, you want back under? Look at him looking as if why am I up? You okay? We're going to have a nice lazy night together. Good boy. Listen to those purrs. Good boy, Freddy. You okay? You coming?